In our new Project Community series, it is coming up on Mother's Day weekend, and a mother and daughter in southern Iowa have brewed up some ideas to keep their coffee shop open for business. If ever there was an old-fashioned family business,
we're right on the square in Osceola.
It's the coffee shop with amazing desserts straight out of Mayberry.
It's an old-fashioned name, and we don't even have Wi-Fi available to the public in here. It's a place where people go to gather and do talk one-on-one.
Which was great until people stopped meeting in person. So Molly Crawford and her mom adapted, using the window to the alley as a drive-through.
We don't have any fancy equipment. You just call ahead and we get your order ready and we serve you out the window, so people they don't have to come in.
And starting a delivery service.
My nephew's our delivery driver.
Molly's discovery? Now is actually a good time to experiment.
If things don't go exactly as planned, people are so understanding.
And they're buying local, like the town doctors who ordered 40 coffees last week just to support this family business on the square.
We have absolutely been blown away by the community support.
Supporting your neighbors is so important at this time. Mayberry's new summer menu down in Osceola includes sandwiches named after Andy Griffith, Opie, and Aunt Bee. Really small town coffee shop at its finest.